real deal stuff out there.
I think that the plan for the day is to survive, not get hurt before 6 days prep. Okay, we made it 14 and something hours later. We're in Page, Arizona. This place is epic. So starting off the vlog a little different. Old Owen had to stay back and work, so we're doing a little iPhone clips this time. But yeah, no, it's sweet out here. We'll see. Give you guys a little view of us rolling in.
So, how's it out here?
It's good. We got here, the bike was in real decent shape from Hawaii, so we really didn't have to do too much. And then I went and rode, and then it all went downhill. I was going up a hill, and things were going real well, and then I missed a shift halfway up, and pretty much just stalled out at the top and didn't make it. And the bike went sliding. I went sliding. I wore a little hole in my hand. The bike kind of chased me down the hill. Luckily, it didn't hit me, but yeah, I was just dumb. Just didn't make it. And this place is relentless, so the bars were pretty
Was that the end of the day?
Yeah, the problem was it should have been the end of the day earlier. I was like, I think I'm done. And then one of the guys was like, oh, no, you should ride some more.
Who was it?
Nick Hatcher. It's like, oh, we should all ride some more. And I was like, okay, yeah, you're right. We should ride some more. And then next thing I did, I went cartwheeling down the hill.
So I heard this. I don't know if it was a rumor or not, but Cole went up right after and made it.
Greased it. Made me look silly. And that's the whole reason Nick's son was like, oh, no, dude, Cole and everybody was hitting it fine. I was like, oh, okay, yeah, sure, I'll go for it. And shouldn't have listened. I'm too old.
It goes pretty easy.
I shouldn't be peer pressured by the kids. Than it was last year. So for those of you that... Here we are, day one. We're going into race one. Knockout format, 150 make it. We're going, make it into the 150, but then top 32 get to go to straight enduro. So we'll see if we can get to that top 32 and go from there. But bike feels good. Got it all straightened out from a tumble earlier in the week, and we're gonna see what we can do, get around.
Cost a
exhausted. Second place, I think. It's not an obstacle. Looks like right line might be the line. I'm tired. Fan stopped working, so the bike keeps on overheating. That's annoying. But yeah, we're still racing. Everybody's having fun. Thank you.
Yeehaw.
Hey, buddy, how you doing?
Oh, not too bad. Better than Hawaii out here.
Yeah. Oh gosh, yeah.
Yeah, so finished race 1, felt really good. Made a couple mistakes that kind of cost me a little bit, but still ended up 18th, I believe. So pretty stoked on that. Felt good, felt real fast in the fast stuff, so that's good. I had to push where I shine, and that's in the fast and whip. So didn't really, you know, push myself too hard anywhere else. Just really was smooth. But yeah, 18th puts me in the straight enduro later, so I get to go, you know, battle in there. I guess it's the street enduro, so we'll go see how that goes. I haven't really brushed up my endurocross in a while, so hopefully riding some sand whips have been gonna help with my matrix skills, but we'll see. But yeah, super happy with how the day went. I'm gonna do that, get some good dinner, and then come back and ride the gnarly stuff tomorrow. Game plan is just to get through this. Just got some sketchy little obstacles, so yeah, just get through it and come out safe and get ready for tomorrow.
Well, figure out my motorcycle like a pretty little friend on the telephone pole. Ride it up and down like O-R-L-O. Figure out buy me a motorcycle. Well, I figure I'll walk to the liquor store, come to the 2 bottles from 3, maybe 4. Follow my sketch down the music road. Pour it on the pavement like you would a tombstone. Like you would a tombstone. Pour it on the pavement like you would a tombstone.
Rev bomb there. He's trying to scare him into a mistake. It's a legitimate. Do something sexy on this final stretch to make it count. For a big mistake on this go.
Figure out.
Trying to triple ball.
Figure out motorcycle like a pretty little frame around a telephone pole. Ride her up a mountain like
Scooter, how'd your day go today?
It was alright. First lap was pretty good. Was first in B, and then I kind of fell apart second lap. Finished third in B, but that's alright. Tomorrow's what counts. Starting a minute off the leader. So, gonna try to catch up to him and then stay with him, you know?
Bike looks good. Yeah, it held up nice. I really didn't crash too many times, so didn't break anything, which was awesome. Just got through the straight rhythm, or street enduro, whatever they wanted to call it, and didn't break anything either, didn't go down, so got to put a new tire on and get her all ready for tomorrow.
Climbing up the top sails, I lost my leg.
What's up, guys? Done with race 2. It was honestly a blast. I did way better today than I did yesterday. Got the win in the B class, which I'm stoked about. I had a blast. It was sick, but I'm glad it is over.
Update, we are done with race 2. A little tougher than race 1, but I got it done. Ended up 21st, I believe, so puts us in the main race, but I got to do a little bike work. Bent a foot peg, a couple little things, so we'll get the thing straightened out and go line up for the pro race. I'm excited and nervous, and we'll see how it goes. I'm definitely just gonna try not to kill myself out there.
What do you think the game plan is, other than just surviving?
That is the only game plan.
Okay.
Only game plan. The only thing that the plan for the day is to survive, not get hurt before 6 days prep. How's it going?
Nice guy.
I'm losing my rear brake, and I don't think it's a good idea to be out there.
Yeah. Good job.
Yeah, I mean we did something. It's we didn't finish a lap, but that's fine because I'm still safe and I live to fight another day. It's definitely pretty rough out there, but I made it a third, maybe halfway through the loop. I actually don't know, but yeah, helped some guys. There's a bike stuck on a cliff that was like gonna die if it fell down, so we got that out and had some fun, did some stuff. Really happy that I rode in the first 2 races, so definitely not upset to not be able to finish this one. This is real deal stuff out there, so I get to go enjoy, watch these boys do some cool stuff, and then yeah, good stuff. Was he the one that dislocated his shoulder? Okay, we're done. Paige is done. It's 6:03. We're waiting for Scooter's trophy because he killed it. But yeah, it's good. I made it into the pro main and kind of just did what I wanted to do. I made it about halfway through the lap and then had some rear brake problems and really just was over risking my life. Helped some guys. There's some really big things that were above my pay grade, but yeah, it was good. We had a great time. We came out unscathed, just a couple broken parts and some bruises and battered, but yeah, Scoots can take it over. Good he did.
Yeah. Got the win in the B class, which I'm stoked about. Bike was good. Had to do a fan and radiator swap after the first day. Yeah, everything's good. I'm good. Bike's good.
Hopefully be able to get a little hard enduro training in. I get with him, do some rocks, and get some practice in.
Cool. Right on.